AI is fast, smart, and efficient, but it can't replace the human touch. When customers need real understanding, nothing beats a real person. When AI reaches its limit, human empathy steps in, because great customer care means knowing when to switch from bots to hearts. This is what needs to be done in customer care today. With the immense influence of AI, no phone numbers of customer care, and not attending to consumer calls, customer support is losing its importance, leading to customer dissatisfaction, lack of trust, ultimately leading to less sales. At this point, social media plays a very important role by getting your voice heard. When a real human hears a human in distress, empathy allows his problem to be solved. It helps in building the emotional seller-buyer relationship and finding the solution collectively. Let's build support systems where AI and human care work hand in hand. Get your voice heard on social media by connecting with us at the Content Connect Hub.